Hey, what's up, guys and gals? Nick Merrill here with Verisurf. Hey, I wanted to take just a couple of minutes of your time and give you a quick demonstration here of how you would take and program, multi-axis holes using PH10 or a, like CMM probing system. So we're in Verisurf. We're going to go ahead and choose our auto holes tool. And we're going to go ahead and zoom into one of these holes. Okay, and we'll go ahead and reverse that vector. Take a look at all those that are all pointing out. Looks great. Auto holes is a great tool for selecting patterns. We want to add this to the plan as circles, so we're going to go ahead and keep that there and hit OK. Next, we'll go ahead and highlight all of our features and choose Generate Path. Just like that, it generates all the paths for us. That looks good. Let's zoom into one. These are all holes that are the same size, so if one looks good, they're all good. So that looks great. The green is the entrance, the red is the exit, so that looks perfect. Cool, looks good. Now from here, we're going to go ahead and add a probe. This is going to go ahead and insert a probe wherever required. So we'll go ahead and say add probes. That's the base tool that I want to add them to. Looks great. Awesome. Let's go ahead and simulate this to see how it looks. Go ahead and go isometric view. And let's go ahead and fit our screen. Go ahead and press play. So we can simulate, we can see that there's no areas of collision. Perfect, and there it is. Give us a call if you need anything, 1-888-713-7201. Talk to you soon.
Please subscribe. Visit us at verisurf.com and watch more Verisurf videos.